The Lodha committee wants cricketers to come in to administration big time. Big time. That is a recommendation. Saurav's My Circle 11 advertisement or endorsement, whatever you want to call it, goes back to before his BCCI times. Conflict, not conflict. What is your sense? Question number one. Question number two. As a former cricketer, do you think he has underperformed as BCCI president big time and has let down domestic cricketers by only doing IPL? Or do you think, I don't want to say a single more thing. Do you think so far, he has not been able to tick the boxes as BCCI president? Give us a candid answer.
Right. To start off with the conflict of interest, because I'm glad I'm here and I wanted to be here to just listen to Vidush, because it's confusing, right? What is a conflict? Because straight away, one of the first things that I see is, as a cricketer, all my life, what I've done is played cricket. And I can tell you this, 99% of the ex-cricketers, their sources of income will be through cricket. So on one side, listen, there'll be very few of us who have started their businesses or whatever, which has got nothing to do with the sport itself. But most of us, our sources of livelihood would be, through cricket, whether it's media work, whether it's coaching, administration, whatever it is, right? And now, on the other side, you rightly mentioned, and I've read this, where, cricketers are encouraged to come into the administration. Then, listen, then on one side, you're saying cricketers should be part of the administration and more cricketers should get involved. And on the other side, you're saying you can't be part of the cricket ecosystem and making a livelihood out of it. And inherently, that is a conflict of interest in itself. That's one of the reasons. Indirectly, you're saying, you know what, we don't need you. You go and do your other stuff. You earn your livelihood. We don't want you in the administration, because if you're there in the administration, then you have to find another source of income, which has got nothing to do with cricket, and which is so rare. How many cricketers you've come across are actually got nothing to do with cricket anymore? Very few of them. Most of us, we live, because that's all we've done all our lives. We've done is play the sport.